There are a lot of different business ventures that you can find online, even within the network marketing field. One way to set apart one from another is by the training that goes along with it. There are some that do not provide any training at all, while there are others that provide you with free training. These are the companies with which you want to go because you will be given everything you need to have a successful business without breaking the bank. There is no point going into business if you are going to spend all your time trying to earn back the money it cost to get started in the first place. https://eZynarticles.com/expert/Melissa_Mitchell/361099. The reason that training is important in the first place when it comes to network marketing is because it is the only way to ensure success. You have to know what you are doing, otherwise you will fail in a matter of months. This is why so many people fail at network marketing. They assume they will be able to do the job without getting any training whatsoever. They then are surprised when their business fails a year later. In order to make your venture successful, you need training, so you might as well get yourself some free training. Just because you are getting free training does not mean it is any different than training for which you would pay a lot of money. The companies that provide that expensive training would love for you to believe that, but the fact of the matter is that training is training. There are only so many ways to train people in network marketing, so why pay for it if you do not have to do so? You will be able to keep your money and invest it into your business. Another reason why free training is great in network marketing is because you will be able to afford to train your entire team. You will not have to skimp and have just one person get the training, then have them in charge of relaying the training messages to the rest of the group. Everyone will be able to get the best training. The reason you got involved in network marketing in the first place was to have a successful business, so that is why you should get yourself the training you need. Invest in yourself and grab this one-time opportunity now.